What's up, guys? So today I'm doing an unboxing of some rare cigars. This is actually a package from the Privada Cigar Club. I had a viewer hook me up on this. This is a monthly cigar club for rare cigars. If you purchase this, which I did not, I just got this as a gift. This is, I think, $25.99 a month, and you're guaranteed to have at least $30 or more worth of cigars. What's cool too, though, like a lot of these monthly clubs are starting to get smart and they're offering individual products. So if people don't like surprises, they can just go to the website and just pick what they want. So they do have a very nice selection of very rare cigars and limited cigars. I saw some that were like only available in the UK, you know, some that were aged many years. So it's a pretty interesting thing for sure. I'm very excited about it. So anyway, today, also excited about a knife. Just got this recently. This is a Kershaw model, the Induction. I think it's a 1905. It's got the hawk lock on it, which is basically just a little slide lock. But I don't know, something about this knife, it feels nice to open and close. I don't know, it's hard to explain. Kind of feels old. It feels like a 90s model or something. Kind of random, but anyway, that's what we're going to use today to open this very simple little piece of tape here. And that was it. So, oh, you know what? No, I lied. There's more tape on the end. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to see what's in here. I've been really into cigars as well as pipes. Pipes are coming back for people who are interested. You'll see more of those coming this summer. So yeah, see the box. Privada Cigar Club 2017. We have a long letter here. Let's see. Oh, very cool. All right, so I don't want to read that yet. It looks like that's going to be a breakdown of each cigar, which is really nice. Something you can read while you're enjoying them. So, nice sealed bag. Packaged with Boveda. Of course, we know Boveda packets the only way to ship cigars. So we got a sealed, like, Mylar bag here. Let's get a whiff. Oh, whew. It smells like rich, dark tobacco. So let's see what we got here. Three cigars and the Boveda packet. So we have a Cult here. I've had Cult cigars before. I'm assuming this one's aged. We'll look at the paperwork in a second here. I don't think I've had this footband. Ferte? Interesting. Look at that cello though. Look how yellow that thing is. That's from the aging process. They darken. Then we have an unbandaged cigar, which is really interesting. That's where a lot of that smell is coming from. And then what is this? Paul, let's see, I'm trying to look through the viewfinder here. Paul Stulak. Never even heard of this before. It's a Red Screaming Sun. Very interesting. So let's put those carefully off to the side here. See what this says. Paul Stulak, Red Screaming Sun, Privada Cigar Club, exclusive 2019. It says original release in the USA in 2014. This is a recreation of the original blend from 2014. All right, so there's a whole thing about the cigar. Let me take you to Halifax, Canada. You can kind of read this whole thing. I'm going to read this probably, well, I'll read it beforehand, but I'll maybe touch upon it again when I go back and smoke these. There's a whole thing on tasting notes, which is really cool. All right, so as you're smoking it, you can see if you're picking up the same flavors as other people. On the bottom is a little welcome here. And then on the back, we have the Cult Churchill 2012 vintage. All right, so 2012 vintage. That's why that cello is so yellow. Yellow cello, that's a good thing. And then the other unbandaged cigar is an El Granjero Maduro Figurado. All right, it says El Granjero is the man of mystery. No one knows his true identity, and those that do will not speak of it. Please do not discuss the story with anyone outside of the club. I guess that's where I stop there. But anyway, also tasting notes. I'll say real quick. I just kind of read that real quick. I smell beef jerky and cinnamon. Let's see, beef jerky and cinnamon, huh? I smell rich tobacco. I don't know about beef jerky. The cinnamon I can kind of pick up on. Actually, to be honest, it smells like sweet tea. That seems kind of random, but it's really That's really what I'm smelling. So anyway, very, very interesting club. Thank you so much to the viewer who mentioned to me. He's been a part of this club, been really enjoying it. So this is just, it's a really cool experience. Obviously, you guys know I love cigars. And for me, it's not like a regular go-to cigar. I always want a new experience when smoking something. So this is right up my alley, of course. Having these very limited, you know, in some cases aged cigars, some cases just rare, hard to find. This is a really, really cool club. So write down below if you've heard of the Privada Cigar Club, and if you remember. And if you're not, if you happen to be interested in something you try out in the future, come back and let me know in the comment section what you thought of it. But again, what's really nice too, for the people out there that do not like surprises, you can go right to the website and they have a shop with literally just a bunch of cigars. A lot of them are probably from previous months and just stuff they have in stock there. So you can kind of nitpick at things that you know that you might like more than others. But I happen to be a huge fan of a surprise, and this is a really cool surprise. So these three are going right in the humidor, and the next cigar I smoke will probably be this guy. Little man of mystery there. So I'll save this little excerpt for when I light it, and as I'm puffing away on it, I'll go ahead and read all that. So that's it for now, guys. Let me know down in the comment section there if there are other cigar clubs or if there's pipe clubs. You know, I never really looked into all the different clubs. We know there's a ton of monthly clubs that people are involved with. I have a ton of hobbies. There's probably a club for every one of my hobbies. But anyway, a really cool option for the people out there who are really into the cigar hobby. So that's it for now. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.